Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need Chrome updated and mic access before you start. First, open your phone settings and allow microphone for Chrome. This prevents permission prompts mid-process. Once done, open Chrome and tap the address bar. You should see a microphone icon on the right. If you don't see it, restart Chrome to refresh UI elements. These steps prepare your device so voice search can run smoothly. Granting permissions early avoids interruptions when you try the actual voice query. Tap the microphone icon and speak clearly to test voice search. Chrome uses that microphone permission to capture audio. If the icon is missing, go to Chrome settings, then Site settings, then Microphone, and confirm a microphone is selected and allowed. You may need to toggle the permission off and on to re-register access. Once the microphone is active, try saying a simple command like weather to check recognition. This middle step resolves many configuration issues and confirms the feature is enabled. To finish, use the Omnibox mic or the new tab voice shortcut for searches. Speak naturally and pause after the tone. Chrome sends audio to Google for recognition, so a stable connection helps. If it fails, restart Chrome or reboot your phone to reset background services. If problems persist, clear Chrome's cache or reset site permissions for microphone access. This fixes corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure other apps aren't holding exclusive mic access. Close them before retrying voice search to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.